Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the third and last puzzle on today on Sunday. Yes, Sunday we don't receive any newspaper, so this newspaper is from yesterday. Yes, it's yesterday's newspaper, Saturday, August the 7th. Oh, 7th. So the last puzzle I will do is a tectonic with a 1 star. And this will be number 3216. Alright. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 13 printed digits. And for 1 star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. Alright. So let's get started. And the first question to you is, can we see here the single box? I see here the single box. Single box is always a 1. Do we have more single boxes? No. Dual boxes. You see here, dual box, there, dual box. It contains the 1 and the 2. I do not know in which order. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Here also. Here we have another dual box. Then the following question, triple box. Do we see here any triple boxes? I see here 1 triple box. Single box here. The triple box contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. We have already the 3 here, so those 2 boxes will be the 1 and the 2. And remember, if we have a triple box, the inside box, the middle box here, next, is always the 4 or the 5. So it could be the 4 or the 5. It cannot be the 1, the 2, or the 3, of course, because I need the 1 and the 2 and the 3 here. Okay, more triple boxes? No. Quadra boxes. Do we have any quadra boxes? No. Then the following strategy is to recognize some figures or some shapes, some structures or construction. For example, this shape. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 1. Here, another 1, but rotated upside down. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay, let me draw this. So in this case, this should be a 1 or a 2. More of these kind of shapes. Here, another 1. This box has the same number as that box. Okay. Then, oh, here another 1. Wow. A lot of this kind of shapes. So this box is the same number as that box. Oh, right. Here another 1. Wow. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it should be a 4. All right. Then the following figure, the L shape. Here, upside down. Let me draw this one. Yes. The L shape, rotated. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. All right. So this box has the same number as that box. And this L shape, this box has the same number as that box. More L shapes? No. How about this shape? Yeah. This shape. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4. All right. More of this kind of shapes? No. Those are the shapes or structures or constructions or figures that you need to know, need to recognize. Then it's simple. Then it's easy to fill the numbers. That's the next step. The next step is let's get starting filling the numbers. All right. Yeah, those 2 boxes cannot be a 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. These two boxes cannot be A1. That box cannot be A1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Alright. Let me see. These 3 boxes surround the 5 cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 2 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and 3. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. That means that those 2 boxes cannot be a 5. I have a double 5 here, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Then let me see. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. We have a double 1 here. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. And this box should be a 2. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. Wait. These 3 boxes surround the 2 cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 3 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and 5. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Then here, those 2 boxes cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Let me think. Yeah. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be a 1, can be a 2, should be a 3, can be a 4, can be 5. Yes, definitely a 3. Alright. Those 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 2 and 4. Well, I cannot place 2 here. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 2 should be here, and the 4 goes here. There. 2 and a 3. Okay. Then. Well. 1, 2, 4, 3 and 5. Okay. 1 or 2, 1, 2. This box cannot be a 1 or a 2, cannot be a 5, so it's 3 or 4. This box cannot be a 1 or a 2 because we have a 1 and a 2 there. Cannot be a 1 and 2, but cannot be a 1 or a 2, but can also not be a 5. Yeah, 5. So this box can be 5, that box can be a 5. So it cannot be a 5, cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2. So 2 numbers left, the 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. 3 and a 4. Okay. So now we have a pair here, 3 and a 4. So those 2 boxes in this L shape should be the 1 and the 2. And yeah, 3 and a 4. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1, and that box cannot be a 1. We have a double 1 there. So the only place for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here. So this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. These two boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, we have a 1 here, so it's not the solution to place the 1 here. The only place for the 1 should be here. Those two boxes can be a 2. This box cannot be a 2. We have a double 2 there. So only box left for the 2 should be here. These two boxes can be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So one box left for the 2 should be here. Then this box cannot be a 2. So one box left for the 2 should be there. This box cannot be a 4. So the only box left for the 4 should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. Okay, one box left in this area for number 3. Two numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. Then. Now we have a 1 here, so this box cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can it be a 2, can it be 3, can it be 4? Yes, definitely a 5. One box left in this area for number 3. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 5. No. I think this box, no. Now we have a 4 here, so this box cannot be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can it be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4? Yes, definitely 5. One box left in this area for number 2. Okay, I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can it be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4? Yes, definitely a 5. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. All right. These 3 boxes surround the 1. Cannot be a 1, so one box left for the 1 should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can't be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. Yeah. This box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So one box left for the 2 should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 2. Cannot be a 2. So one box left for the 2 should be here. Now we have a 2 there. So this box cannot be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 3. Now we have a 1 here, so this box cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 4 and 5. Okay, 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, because I cannot fill this yet. 3 and 4. Okay, that means that this box cannot be 3 or 4. But it can also not be a 5, and it cannot be a 1. So 1 digit left should be a 2. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. So 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 3 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 3 goes there. Now we have a 4 there. So this box cannot be a 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 3. Now we have a 4 there. So this box cannot be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 5. Alright, those 2 boxes can be a 4. This box cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be a 3, can be a 4. Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for the numbers 1 and 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 1 goes there. Alright, and now these 2 boxes can be a 2, so the 2 goes together with the 1 as a pair, 2 and a 1. That means that those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. We have a double 2 there. We have also a 2 here, so the only place for the 2 in this area should be there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. Now we have a 2 here, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. Okay, 3 and the 4. 1 box left in this L shape for the number 3. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 4 and 5. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this area for the numbers 4 and 5. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 5 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Exactly. Well, 50 minutes and 5 seconds. Yeah, definitely a 1 star. That's the limit. Wow, my time limit. All right. I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload the new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists. Playlists for the Tectonic, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the letter Sudokus, playlists for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. I have also playlists for the heavy, for the medium, for the light, for the killer, for the quintuplets, all kind of Sudokus or puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe and you find them all. Yes, thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Sunday, and we will meet again tomorrow on Monday. Have a great weekend. Bye bye. Until then, bye bye for now.